Hey guys, what's going on? So every 5 years, you should change the battery in your car. I have a battery in my Expedition right now. It's from 2018. It's 2023 right now, so it's just about 5 years old. It hasn't given me any issues. I'm gonna pull it out of there. I bought a new battery today and replace it. So this is the battery that I have in it. It's a Never Start battery, the Max one. I bought it at Walmart. It's like a 3-year battery. I've had it for 5 years. I've had really good luck with these batteries from Walmart. I bought the truck about 5 years ago, and I put this battery in it when I first got the truck. And the last battery, I didn't have a problem with it. And Steve said, "Hey, change your battery because it's gonna go bad." I was like, yeah, the truck is fine. And I'm not even kidding, like a week later the battery went dead. I was about to kill him. So that's when I got this battery. It's lasted 5 years. They're actually pretty good batteries. They're not bad. I've had really good luck with them. So even on your new battery, I always clean up the new terminals and make sure you get inside, the cable ends too. Make sure they're all nice. Let's have a good connection. And do the negative. These brushes are nice. I've actually got a better brush than this. It's got a cap on it. So I took the battery hold down out. It was all rusty, so I just wire wheeled it, and it tends to get a lot of water in the area that's in. Just gonna put a little Never-Seez on it to help prevent it from freezing up again. You could hear me taking it out. It was kind of a pain. You always want to put your positive battery on cable first. It won't spark on you. So I'm just going to tap this down so it's seated a little bit better. Okay. All right. So I tend to do a lot of driving in the summertime. We're always towing the boat and going up to the lake, going camping. You've seen probably our camping videos. We're all over the place. The last thing I want to do is get my truck at the end of the day and have it not start because of a dead battery. Do this every 5 years, even if your battery is not acting up. Sometimes these batteries now, they just quit. They don't give you the slow like some of the old cars used to do. So this is what I'd advise. And if you guys have any questions, leave a comment on the video. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.